how to use Pinterest on your phone real quick. And this is going to be a very basic tutorial showing you how to do it on your Android phone. So once you install Pinterest on the Play Store, as I showed you, and to quickly get Pinterest on your phone, you can open up the Play Store and just simply use a search and type in Pinterest. Once you type in Pinterest, you'll be able to find it. You can download it, and once it's installed, you can open up Pinterest. Ensure that you have an account. If you don't, you can quickly create one, especially if you have a Gmail account. You can quickly sign up and sign in with your Gmail account. That's going to make it pretty easy. And you will create some pins, you will add some things that you like, and you can easily go ahead and get started. Now at the top you have your For You page, and this is basically going to start giving you some recommendations based on when you create and set up your account. To search, you can go ahead and click and the search icon on the lower part towards the left side, and you can search for whatever. So let's say I want to search for football. I can go ahead and I can type in football, for example. And let's say I want to search for wallpapers. I can go ahead and I can search for that. And if I find an image that I like, I can go ahead and I can create a board and start saving it there. So let's say I want this one, I can save it. I can go ahead and I can just save it. And if I have boards already there, I can save it to a board. And once you tap on that, you save that image to the board. If you don't have a board already, what you can do is to quickly create a board. So I'm going to choose something else or search for something else. Let's say meat or chicken, for example, meat recipe. I can go ahead and I can type in meat recipes, for example, and I will see some really cool meat recipes that I like. And so if I want to create a board, I can do this two ways. I can click the plus on the lower part and I can create a board from here, or I can do it in the go while I save it. So if I find something that I like, I can go ahead and I can click the three dots on the image or click on the image and I can say that I want to save it. And if I don't have any board, I can go ahead and I can save, I can create a board, for example. Click and create board, for example, and I can rename it to just say meat recipes, for example. And then I click on done and I can choose to make the board private, public. As you can see, make this board secret. If I want to keep it public, I can keep it and then just create board, right? And right there you have a board created with the pin already there, and going forward, you can always now go ahead and find more recipes and just simply save them in that board. So if I like this one, I tap on it, click and save, and I have my recipes option there that I've created, right? So if you're scrolling through going forward and you have anything that you want to create, that you want to save, you can quickly go ahead and create them. So as I showed you, to create a board, it's super easy. Click the plus as well and you can create board, name it whatever you want, and click and create board. And so that's pretty much it, guys. And if you want to post things on Pinterest, you can also do that as well by clicking the plus, click on pin, and you have access to your images in your phone, and you can actually make posts there and all of those good stuff that you will do, right? So it's really the basics. You have your messages down here to see messages. If you want to see your inbox, you have your account here that you can see your created and your saved. And if you ever want to go into, for example, your account details, you can click the three dots and you have settings right here, and you can go in and you can see all those different settings, account settings, profile, notification, privacy, and all those good stuff you have right here. So that's a quick basics, guys, on how to use Pinterest. If you want to learn more on how to use Pinterest on your phone, hit that subscribe button, check out the playlist for how to use Pinterest for mobile, and also you can check out the PC version that I have on my channel as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.